In this video, I will tell you 5 foundational skills that are crucial for anyone looking to enter the cybersecurity field. And at the end of the video, I will tell you a bonus skill that will make you stand out from the crowd. So let's dive into it. The skill number 1 is the networking fundamentals. Networking fundamentals serve the cornerstone of the cybersecurity knowledge. Understanding how data flows through networks, protocols, IP addressing, and subnetting are crucial for identifying and mitigating network-based threats. Knowing the networking concepts enables cybersecurity professionals to analyze network traffic, detect anomalies, and implement security measures effectively. Individuals should familiarize themselves with networking protocols such as TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, and HTTP, and so on. Additionally, hands-on experience with devices like routers, switches, firewalls, and proxies is extremely valuable for gaining practical insights into network security. The skill number 2 is security fundamentals. Building your knowledge of security fundamentals forms the foundation of a successful cybersecurity career. This includes understanding fundamental concepts such as confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It may be known as the CIA triad, as well as the common security controls and mechanisms. Furthermore, understanding the encryption techniques, authentication methods, access controls, and risk management frameworks is essential for implementing robust security measures. Cybersecurity professionals must stay updated of emerging threats and trends in the cybersecurity landscape to adapt their defensive strategies accordingly. The skill number 3 is the operating systems plus the virtual machines. A good understanding of the operating systems is essential for cybersecurity practitioners. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS are commonly targeted by attackers, making it crucial to understand their architecture, file systems, permissions, and security features. Moreover, virtualization technology plays a vital role in the cybersecurity, enabling us to create isolated environments for testing, malware analysis, and vulnerability assessments. Playing with virtual machines platforms like VMware or VirtualBox or Hyper-V allows the cybersecurity specialist to simulate real-time scenarios without compromising the integrity of their systems. The skill number 4 is the cloud security. With the widespread adoption of cloud computing, understanding cloud security principles has become crucial for the cybersecurity professionals. Cloud environments present unique security challenges, including data privacy concerns, shared responsibility models, and potential misconfigurations. Proficiency in cloud security involves understanding cloud service models like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Familiarity with cloud security tools and services offered by leading cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform is essential for securing cloud infrastructure and applications. The skill number 5 is the SIEM and the log analysis. The SIEM, which is the System Information Event Management, provides real-time or historical analysis of security alerts from the network hardware or the applications, where it is gathering data from logs, events, and traffic to detect the threats. Its features include log management, event coloration, alerting, and reporting, which is aiding to the IT security monitoring. By centralizing the log data and using the correlation engine, SIEM helps the analyst to detect and respond to incidents efficiently. So, learning SIEM platforms like Splunk, Logarithm, and ELK is crucial for monitoring and analyzing security logs, essential for prompting threat detection and response. Understanding the SIEM and the log analysis is vital for building a strong foundation in the cybersecurity operations, enabling proactive security strategies and building digital infrastructure resilience. In addition to the aforementioned technical skills, learning and practicing scripting languages like Python or PowerShell can significantly enhance a cybersecurity professional's capabilities and will definitely make you a few steps ahead the other security beginners. Scripting languages empower practitioners to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and develop a custom security tools and scripts tailored to their organization's need. And at the end of this video, I need to emphasize that starting a career path in a cybersecurity requires a solid foundation of technical skills coupled with a continuous learning mindset. By studying networking fundamentals, operating systems, security principles, cloud security, CM, and on the top of that, add one or more scripting languages like Python and PowerShell, aspiring cybersecurity candidates can position themselves for success in this dynamic and rewarding field. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.